Hi everyone! Recently, several of you have asked me for salad dressing ideas. And more often than not, I simply use balsamic vinegar on my salads. So today, I thought I would share my mom's go-to oil-free salad dressing. But before we get to that, I have a quick announcement. I'm starting an email newsletter to keep you up to date on upcoming live hangouts, new YouTube videos, and more. So if you want to stay in touch, you can check out the link below the video to sign up. And for those of you who have been asking about when my t-shirts will be for sale, the newsletter is the best way to be notified. The t-shirts are coming soon, but they'll only be available for a limited time, so make sure you sign up so you don't miss your chance to grab one. Simply click or tap the word "more" below the video where you'll find the email newsletter link as well as a link for today's recipe. And with that, let's get into it. My mom makes this salad dressing about every 5 or 6 days. Sometimes she'll keep little jars filled with the spice mix so she doesn't have to get everything out every time. So here we have 2 heaping teaspoons of granulated garlic, 2 teaspoons of granulated onion, 1 heaping teaspoon of dill, about a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of your favorite salt-free spice blend. These are some of the examples that she's been using lately. These are the Calypso, Fiesta Fire, and Zesty blends from Well Your World. Today she's using Zesty, but you could use any other salt substitute you like. There are so many to choose from out there, from Mrs. Dash to Costco's Kirkland brand. And finally, she's adding 2 tablespoons of date sugar. Sometimes she uses date syrup instead, but most of the time she uses the date sugar. When it's time to make a new batch of dressing, she gets a quart-size mason jar and adds 1 cup each of water, balsamic vinegar, and lemon juice. Sometimes she'll use fresh lemon juice, but she also likes this Santa Cruz organic pure lemon juice. Next is about a tablespoon of stone ground or Dijon mustard and all of the spices. She puts the lid on and gives it a good shake to mix everything up. And like I said, she makes this about every 5 or 6 days, but she's kept it as long as a week in the fridge. And for easy pouring, she transfers the dressing to Old Frank's hot sauce jars. These work perfectly. And that's it. We love this simple salad dressing, and my mom and dad eat it every day. You can always keep it interesting by using different salt-free seasoning blends, and it never gets boring. I hope you'll give this one a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to sign up for my new email newsletter to get announcements and updates from me. See you next time.